this is the best skin I've ever had. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca. Today I'm going to give you my results thus far from my Nira at-home laser. I am so excited to show you. Also, this video is sponsored by Nira. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. They have been a real champion working with me, and I'm just honored. So thank you. Wanted to share with you, first of all, who I am, what my skin is like, and the reason I started with the Nira Precision. And so this is the Precision, and this is the Pro. And I'm gonna share with you my experiences, and then you can decide if this is something for you. I love doing things at home. I do not go to salons for things except my hair. I do everything at home, from my workout to sometimes I even color my hair at home, but I don't go into any kind of spa for any treatments. And so for me, having something I can do at home in my comfort, privacy, as well as convenience means a lot to me. I am 51 years old. You can see that I am very fair complected. My background is Anglo-Saxon, so my ancestors have all probably been pale, I think. I think they lived under the dark clouds of Europe and ate potatoes. I don't have any filler, I don't have any injectables or Botox, I have not had any in-office procedures, I have not had any surgeries, and there you go. I have been diagnosed with rosacea, and I have been wearing sunscreen faithfully since probably the 90s, the early 90s, and that is a game changer. I look in the mirror and I go, hey, I like what I see. I like that I can tell I'm maturing, I'm changing, but I feel really good with what I see. So first, I will give you a review of the Nira Precision. I have done a deep dive on this in a couple videos, so I can post those. I also wanted to mention that the first week this video goes up on my channel, Nira is giving my viewers a 15% off discount, and I wanted to let you know that. So if you wanted to consider putting this on a wish list for Mother's Day or a birthday, or just investing with your own hard-earned money, that is the time frame for the discount. Let's talk about the Precision. What I've explained before about Nira is it is an at-home laser. It provides the same technology, the same laser chip is in here that is in a machine at the doctor or med spa's office. But because it has a lower power per unit area, so it spreads the energy over daily treatments, which is why there is no recovery or downtime. So it is non-fractional, non-ablative. You can use it every day, twice a day. You will not experience any peeling or redness or swelling. Another thing that is good to know about this is it is FDA approved, and it is from the US. So what this is doing is it is heating the dermis layers. So you've got your epidermis, your dermis, and I think your hypodermis. And then of course you've got muscle and fat and everything else in there. And this does not penetrate past the dermis layers, so you can safely use it over your thyroid, your lymph nodes. You don't have to worry about any kind of medical adverse reactions. However, if you are breastfeeding, pregnant, or you've been diagnosed with skin cancer, please consult with your physician before any procedures or devices that you undergo. So the Precision here has a smaller head that is targeted for your eyes and mouth area. You can use this everywhere, but the idea is that within 90 seconds, you can do your whole eye, you can do focus here. You can even use it on your lip area to help minimize fine lines. And I love the fact that this is so easily controlled. You can change the strength so that you can decide what is your comfort level. And personally, what I've been using this for is my eye area. I have been helping the genetic hooded lids I have that are just going to continue to sink and lower as time goes on. I'm just trying to help maintain a bit of space and lift throughout here. And I feel like I am achieving that. And I showed some before and afters in my previous video, and I am going to show those pictures again here because I do think that there is a difference between the amount of space that my lid is visible than it was before I ever started using this. And I think that's exciting. It also helps with this fine line area. It helps with the dark and the bags and everything around here that begins the signs of aging. And so I have just been enjoying this every day. It has sounds so you know when you have targeted your area properly. And when you hear the sound, you know that you can move to the next section of your face because you don't want to waste your time not applying the device properly. So that is the Precision. Now, what I've been doing the last month or so is I have incorporated their new peptide cream. So this is their Youth Renewal Peptide Cream. This cream is phenomenal because it is serum, moisturizer, it is day, it is night, it is fragrance free. It does not have any other ingredients in it besides the ones that are useful to get the job done. It helps the brightening, it helps the firming. My face, I just feel like my skin looks clearer. I use this every morning in conjunction with my lasers, whether I'm doing my Pro or my Precision. And it is what truly, it's like a team, you know, it's a team. It's a team for your face. With the lasers and the cream, you're really getting the most out of your time and investment. So here's the cream. It comes in a pump and I just use one pump. This pump covers my entire face and I always follow with sunscreen. It blends right in. It doesn't leave any kind of cast or film and it feels fabulous. So I love that. You can also incorporate the hyaluronic acid serum. This is what is going to help your skin retain 100 times its moisture. So we all know the benefits of hyaluronic acid, and if we don't, well, let me tell you. Basically, it's what helps to attract water to the skin. And this is also a serum that is completely filler-free from anything else besides the ingredients that are effective to get this to do its job. There is no fragrance, there is no oils, botanical or otherwise, so I love it. And I'm just gonna use what's on my hands because I'm not letting that go to waste, even though I already have it on. And anyway, as you can see, I flush easily, I have redness, I have rosacea. So here is the Pro, and let me explain to you what I've been doing in the last few months. I guess it's been about 2 months. I have been using this throughout my cheeks and neck because what I want to do is I want to help my neck area become less just... I feel like with the amount of times my head is down looking at my laptop or my phone or just anything I'm doing that I just feel like I'm getting the lines that come with redundancy, you know, with repetitive motion. What this is going to do, it's going to help the neck look youthful just like we are working on our face. We don't want to forget our neck. I'm using it along my jawline to just kind of maintain all that lifting and call it the rejuvenation that my skin is going to benefit from. And the surface area is larger on this. You can cover a lot more space in less time. You can do your whole face in 3 minutes. And it also has the levels so you can determine what's most comfortable for you. And it has the sound that tells you if it is on the right pressure, so that you know you are doing the work and you didn't waste your time. So my experience with this Pro is that I have been using it here, and I wanted to share with you guys something that I found remarkable, is that you can actually use this directly on either breakouts or a rosacea flare or anything that is kind of upsetting your skin, and it will actually treat it. It won't irritate it, it will help it. I have been doing this on my cheeks with the peptide cream, and I do feel like my skin is brighter, my skin is less red. I really feel like these results, because they're gradual, because you're in control of them, they don't look drastic, they don't look jarring. So some things that you might be wondering, is this guaranteed? Yes, there is a 90-day guarantee on all their products, so you can use them and then you can return them for a full refund at 90 days if you are not satisfied. You can also rest assured that they have not tested these products, these devices, on animals, so they do claim to be cruelty-free. You can travel with these fit in a carry-on. I know, I'm just up here, just, yammering away because I'm all excited. I'm here to give you my results, my experience. I am not here to tell you what works for you, what you should do. I am not for or against anything in regards to the options that are out there for us to do cosmetic or medical procedures that we feel help us to just like what we see. If I was not sent these, which I am so grateful to have them, I would purchase one of these devices. And I think I would purchase the Pro just because of the larger size that I could cover everywhere and do my, because you can do 10 times the surface area in a short amount of time. I really am amazed at the amount of technology and the availability that we have this, that it's safe, and how cost effective it is over time. I am skincare obsessed. I have a lot of skincare choices, but Moisture Lock Hyaluronic Acid Serum and Youth Peptide Cream are really changing my skin without interfering with anything that, whether it's the makeup I like to test and experiment with, or the sunscreen I wear, or just my skin conditions that I'm already battling. I truly feel like I don't have to think twice or worry about what I'm using when I use this, because my barrier is stronger. I feel like my skin is doing the best it can ever. Like, this is the best skin I've ever had. And that includes my 20s. I have always been plagued with either redness, breakouts, irritation, and right now, I gotta say, this is, where I feel my happiest. I feel like I don't have to wear as much concealer. I definitely have dark circles. I definitely can see my age around my eyes, but I feel like it's improving, and I also feel so comfortable with this. I am really terrified of injectables, not gonna lie. I wanna do them, but I am terrified. And so what I feel like I get from the laser is I have seen improvement, but I'm not terrified. I'm not terrified of this. So I'm so happy and so grateful for it. I will once again, put the discount code on the screen. It is in my description box. The 15% off is good for 1 week. And thank you for supporting my channel. I wanted you to know that sponsored content helps me continue to do the things I love to do on this platform. So thank you so much and take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.